Now, to day 5 of the Jennifer Crumbley trial, we have heard from several new witnesses today, including a detective who was part of the team carrying out a search warrant at the Oxford shooter's home.
Sean Lay spent the day in the courtroom again. Sean, it was an explosive day.
Truly, and I want to take everyone right inside the courtroom right away because so much happening today. Take a look. Jennifer Crumbley never asked how many kids were killed or how many were hurt, if any teachers or staff were shot. Just moments after her son opened fire inside Oxford High School with a 9mm handgun James and Jennifer Crumbley bought for him just days before. Brought in by sheriff's deputies that afternoon while Oxford students were still being rushed to the hospital, Jennifer Crumbley didn't ask about her son. Instead, she refused to answer questions and demanded a lawyer. After that meeting, Crumbley was in the back of a sheriff's cruiser, again, not showing the emotion a mother might show after a school shooting, one committed by her own son.
I was angry, never exerted anything. Like, he's just like one of those mellow, laid-back kids.
Still, the afternoon of the shooting, sheriff's investigators said they needed Crumbley's phone. She refused. Detective Sam Marsban says he had to explain to her how serious this was.
Told her that there were several dead kids and kids that were shot in the school, and this was significant incidents and was already on the national news, and even the president had addressed it.
After charges against the parents were announced, the parents fled. Body camera video showing police finding the couple hiding in a building in Detroit after a statewide manhunt. At Crumbley's trial late this afternoon, a surprise. Prosecutors calling a firefighter named Brian Malage, who exchanged Facebook messages with Jennifer Crumbley right after Crumbley met with school officials and her son 90 minutes before the shooting. At that meeting, the Crumbleys did not tell school officials they had bought a handgun for their son. Jennifer Crumbley insisted her son go back to class, not go home or get mental health treatment. But she left that meeting thinking her son was up to something.
Was worried he was going to do something dumb.
Back here live. The jury was cleared out of that courtroom after that testimony from that firefighter by the judge. Jennifer Crumbley, we'll show you at 6 o'clock. She was sworn in by the judge so her attorney could ask if she was okay with Crumbley to expose an extramarital affair with that very witness. She said absolutely she was willing to do that because that set off a blistering cross-examination. We're working on that right now. We'll have it for you live at 6, guys.
That was riveting stuff, too. All right, Sean, our coverage is going to continue here at 5:30. Paula Tutman has been heading our streaming coverage of this trial on Local 4 Plus, which you can watch, by the way, whenever court is in session. But Paula will tell us more about this extramarital affair evidence that is now being allowed in the trial and what that could mean for the defense.